Hello, this is Missy from Mummy from the Heart. Today we'll be making liquid gold slime. So let's get started. This clear glue we got from Amazon. That was £9 and it's 500 grams. So take the lid off. So I'm just going to give it a generous amount. Whoops. So next we'll be adding bicarbonate of soda. So I'd say maybe about a quarter of a teaspoon or a pinch. So you don't need much at all. So I'm just going to mix those two together. Next I'm going to add some of the gold acrylic paint. Okay. So, wow, that's turning so gold. Right, I'm happy with that colour, I like it. So now I'm going to add some glitter. Right, I've added a good amount of glitter, I think. Now I've mixed it all together. Oh, that's so nice. Right, I will put the saline solution. So we got this saline solution from Boots. That was £6. As you can see, it's starting to pull together. So Mum says I put a bit too much saline solution in, but I don't think I have. I love it. So you can hear that a little bit, but it's not too farty, this one. But it's really stretchy. Wow. Wow, that's stretchy. I think this is really nice.